Connect MBAG modules to MBRS module without power. Power supply, MBRS. Connect your PC to MBRS via USB cable. Detect each MBAG module with Detect MBDEVICE button. Green light, correctly connected. Check the air pressure on your device. If needed, filter the air gauge signal to achieve a stable measurement. Select the measurement unit of your masters. Calibration of first module with 2 masters. Leave uncheck for measurement with 2 masters. Enter master min. Enter master max. Verify coherence of measure. Calibration of second module with 3 masters. Checkbox for calibration with 3 masters. Enter master min. Enter master nominal. Enter master max.